If you've got an escape room center business and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise, you're certainly in the right place. So keep watching this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to do exactly that, launch a simple website. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and just give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. This platform is easy enough to literally launch and manage from your smartphone. So let's get cracking. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, people's side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, escape room center. I know these are very popular these days, loads of fun. Let's go ahead and put in our company name, as well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have multi site users from literally all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to service and click on continue. Let multi sites work its magic and create a simple website for our escape room business. And there you have it. It's literally taken the information I've just put in and created a simple website in not even a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've literally pre written all the content for you. As a guideline, of course, you can change it. We've also pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of your escape room and your customers in action solving puzzles, and you'd like to showcase it on your website. It's super simple to make amendments to your Mighty Sites website. You don't need to know coding, be a web professional of any sort, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's click on the first section at the top together. Go ahead and put in our email address. I want to make sure that that email address is actually visible on my website for my customers' convenience to reach out. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number in over here. It is click to call, by the way. Our physical location, street address. Great thing about that physical location, when your website's actually live, your customers can click on that address, automatically be taken to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. So many social media platforms you can link to: LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you've got a logo for your business, head on over to Update Logo. If you don't have one yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. Once your logo's been uploaded, you can actually click on that pencil to make amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters and frames. Let's go ahead and save that. Over here on the right is where we can make the logo bigger and smaller. And if you'd like to actually centralize your logo, maybe move it to the middle, make it bigger, click on Update Design and click on Layout Options. You also have the option to change the colors for each section as well. But if you want to just change the general colors for your Mighty Sites website, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's so many to choose from. Awesome. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update Section and Update Image. Over here is where you can browse your device, upload your own images, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Otherwise, you can now link your Instagram account with a click of a button, actually pull in all those images from your profile instead of uploading them all individually. You can literally pull them in all over here from your Instagram account with a click of a button, select them for each section if you wish. Under Update Action is where you can change that button, amend the text, where the button links to by clicking on Choose Links, even upload a PDF file. Under Update Contents is where you can obviously update all that content that was pre written for you. And the last section is where your customers can easily reach out to you via lead generation form. Once they've submitted their details, their message, you will get notified via your registered email you have a new lead. You'll also find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard with all your customer details. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain to set it up. If you'd like to purchase a new domain, you can click on the green button, purchase a domain, make your website stand out from all your customers, make it more personalized and look trustworthy. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.